Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now. Put on gloves, eye protection, and a dust mask so debris and chemicals don't hurt you. Use masking tape to isolate the tiny area around the rust and remove loose paint with a wire brush. Once done, sand the spot with 80 grit until you reach solid metal. This removes flaky corrosion. Make sure to wipe with a clean rag and degreaser so the rust converter and later products can bond properly. You now neutralize remaining corrosion by applying rust converter. This changes rust into a stable surface. Let it cure per product directions. Next, mix and apply body filler to deep pits, working in thin layers to avoid shrinking. Once hardened, sand starting with 180 grit, then 320 grit to get smooth transitions. Once the filler blends into surrounding paint, feather edges with 400 grit for a seamless profile, and make sure to clean with a tack cloth before moving to primer so adhesion is optimal. You finish by spraying 2 light primer coats, sanding very lightly with 600 grit between coats to knock down texture. This promotes correct paint laydown. Once primed, apply 2-3 thin color coats, keeping each coat even and allowing 5-10 minutes flash time. Then protect with 2 clear coats for gloss and durability. If runs or orange peel appear, wait full cure, sand wet with 1500-2000 grit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.